Good morning, YouTube. So a few months ago, I ordered these Bluetooth earphones that were on Kickstarter. They arrived a few days ago. I've been looking forward to opening them and checking them out. So let's take a look. Cool box. Contact induction power switch. Portable charging case. Quick control, on-off sensor, voice control, Siri, secure fit. Long-lasting battery, 3.5 hours times 5. 260 milliamp hour batteries. Bluetooth version 5.0. Wow. The charging case provides 18 hours battery for playing from Hakii. And then a logo on that side. So there's a box. And then there's this also. So what's this? A CD? Ooh. Wow. So this comes with a charging stand. Wow. That is sweet. Forgot about that detail. So let's put that there. So that was packed nicely. Hakii. So there's the headphones, earphones. They're pretty big. Bigger than I pictured. Okay. So there's a toot. A little slippery too. So there's the two earphones. That's the case. This case feels really solid. If I picked this up off the ground, I'd have no idea what this is. Okay, let's open it. Oh, it's like a magnet. It opens really easily. So we take the right one and line it up so that it can charge. Like this. Like this. So one goes on that side. The left one goes on the left side. Seems very well built. This is all very solid and sturdy. And then you close it. There's replacement covers. That's a nice touch. And then there's bigger and smaller ear tips. A cable for the charger. It's a nice nylon bag that you could carry that guy in. Okay, micro USB, not USB-C. Okay. Anything happening? Are there any instructions? Yeah, that's the instructions. These probably should have been at the top, no? Power off. You can just put them in the back of the thing. So wireless charging, you just stand it up. Really? Oh, look at that. There is a light right on top. That's a light. Ah, cool. Charging time, about 2 hours. Okay, so it's been 2 hours. Now, as you can see, the LED light is turned off. So it's fully charged. Wow, this charger is pretty warm. So is this just a regular Wi-Fi charger or wireless charger? I don't have long fingernails. It can open easily. So you can charge it directly like that. Okay, so I'm gonna try them on now for the first time. They don't come out too easily. Okay, so I haven't tried the other tips. I'm just gonna put this one in my ear. Okay, so I'm going to put them in my ear now. Oh, they go in very easily. Pretty comfortable. Very solid, 100% solid. I could sprint with these right now. That sounds great. These are for sure my favorite earphones now. You know what's cool about this thing? When you pause it, it fades the volume. It doesn't suddenly cut it on and off, and then when you start it again, it seems to hit right. So I've been using these wireless earbuds for 7 days now, and I am truly impressed. I am amazed with these things. First of all, they're very, very, very comfortable. Sometimes I've had them in my ear for 6, 7, 8 hours and forgotten that they're there. They're really light. They weigh 6 grams each and they're super comfortable. They also stay in the ear very, very well. As you can see, I've tried all kinds of activities, sprinting, running in the rain. They're fine, jumping, whatever. They stay in very, very well. Then the sound quality is phenomenal. This thing will make you want to listen to music more. You'll be digging up old songs you haven't listened to in a long time just so you can hear how they sound. They sound so good for such small earbuds. Obviously, bass is lacking, but given the size of these things, the sound quality is so good. I've not heard any other kind of Bluetooth earbuds that sound this good. Battery life also has been phenomenal. It actually doesn't run out of batteries because you keep putting it back when you're not using it. You just take it and put it back in the case, and then the case starts charging it again. I can't even tell how long the case battery lasts. It's a 500 milliamp hour battery that's in here, but there's no feedback from the case to tell you how much of that battery is charged. It charges pretty fast with USB. It's a little slower with the wireless charger, but it's easy to top this guy up, and this guy tops the earbuds up very quickly. So battery life seems like a non-issue. Plus, to charge it, it's so easy because you can just stick it down like that on that Qi charger. In terms of convenience also, this is really, really convenient. It's actually more convenient than wired earphones. I used to think Bluetooth earphones are not as convenient as wired earphones because a wired earphone, you just plug it in and you're ready. With Bluetooth earphones, you have to pair, which makes it worse. Well, this, you don't even have to plug it in. You just open this and take it out. It turns on automatically and it pairs automatically. When you want to take it off, you just take it off and stick it back in here and it turns off automatically. It's so convenient. You never turn it on and off and you don't bother plugging in or plugging out. The connection has been very stable. The Bluetooth connection has not died. The range is a little less than I see with like bigger Bluetooth headphones. I guess that would make sense, being that this is smaller antenna. So the range is only maybe about, in a house it's okay. It's probably 20-30 feet. But it's not as good as big Bluetooth headphones. Other than that, the design is really, really awesome. I don't feel like putting this case down even because it feels so good in the hand. Some negatives are, it's a little hard to put in the case, take out of the case at times. It would be better if it had USB-C. The case should have an indicator telling you how much battery life is left in the case. And lastly, you cannot change volume or skip tracks from the earbuds itself. They're a little big. Maybe they don't look that great in the ear, but for how comfortable they are and how good the sound quality is and how convenient they are, this is now my go-to earphones for sure. I feel like I've tried every kind of different style and configuration of Bluetooth earphones and headphones, from big headphones, small headphones, different styles of Bluetooth earbuds, with the wire behind, without the wire behind, and of all the different things I've tried. I like big headphones because you get a lot of battery life, really good sound quality, and good range, but you can't always use big headphones. And when I'm not using big headphones, for sure, These are, bar none, the best Bluetooth earphones I've tried. I can completely, wholeheartedly recommend. If you're looking for these ones, or there's a Havit one that's equivalent, it's the exact same thing, I wholeheartedly tell you to go ahead and buy it. It's really, really good. I'm so happy that I got these. Okay, thank you for watching.